the last of the season. We're in November. Thanksgiving's right around the corner. But these peppers are still hanging on. They still have that nice bright red color. I'm about to cut them. There's still some green ones, but I don't think they'll be able to make it. As you can see, the plant's pretty sad. It's been pretty cold these past days. So it looks from the bottom. It's a little moist down there. The sprinklers are not on. It's because there's been rain and water. But this is how I left my plant. Looks pretty sad. And these peppers, by the way, they're pretty spicy. They have like a sweet, spicy taste to them. Kind of like a spicy pear. Like if you're eating a pear with a hot tamale candy. But they're really good. They're crunchy. Got the last one. These are the last peppers in the season for this plant. Let's see if these manage to continue to grow.